Make a great choice today with the 2011 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, Bluetooth, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.